Hi guys, I'm Shraddha, software engineer at Vercel, and in this series I break down software engineering concepts for you. And today we're going to talk about APIs. APIs, or application programming interface, is kind of like a messenger that lets two software systems talk to each other and exchange data. So let's take a real world example. Suppose you go to a restaurant. You, the user, look at the menu and then give the order to the waiter. The waiter takes your menu, then goes to the kitchen, gives the order, and brings the food back. You, as a user, does not need to know how the kitchen is operating. You only need to understand how to talk to the waiter. Now, in this case, you are the user or the app, the waiter is the messenger, and the kitchen is the backend server. So with this, let's take a real world example. Suppose you open a weather app. Now, when you open the weather app, there is a weather API that goes and talks to the weather server and says, hey, what is the current weather right now? The weather server gives a number, suppose 22 degrees Celsius, that is returned back and that you see on the front end. Now, as a user, you don't need to interact with the weather server. So APIs can be used for three things. First, getting data. For example, you want weather or to-do list or user data. Second is sending data. You can upload forms, photos, or maybe some other metadata. And then third is connecting to systems. For example, you can use the Gmail API to connect to Gmail or Google from your app. Hope that was helpful. Follow along for more videos on software engineering concepts.